By downloading the BLUETTI app, you can easily control your EB3A. The device homepage provides convenient access to turn on and off both DC and AC switches. Additionally, through the settings menu, you can enable eco mode, powerlifting, or choose your charging method, and even perform OTA online upgrades for the device. When not using the unit for extended periods of time, power it off and remove all electrical connections. Charge the unit to 80% SOC every 3 months for best battery life. Clean the unit with a dry cloth gently and carefully. Use mechanical assistance as needed. Do not stack anything on top of the unit either in storage or in use. Recommended storage temperature, 32 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit 0 to 45 degrees Celsius.